Hey guys, so I am dropping in. I'm just coming in here with a quick tutorial on a beautiful, just simple daytime halo. So here I'm just starting off. I am just running some of that brow tint through my brows just to tone that color down a little bit. And then we're going to go in with the Angel Eyes primer. This primer did come in BoxyCharm. All right, just a couple dots of that, and then we're just going to blend that on our lid in preparation for our eyeshadow. I always like to have a makeup towel on my lap. That way, if I pick up too much product, I can just tap that on the brush. And now we are going in with a Ace Beauty palette. You know, one thing about Ace Beauty, if you have BoxyCharm, you can always count on an Ace Beauty palette to come through. So now I'm just grabbing that transition color. I'm going to apply that in the inner and outer portion of my eye, just really lightly. We want this to stay a daytime halo. So just a little bit, and then we're going to blend out afterwards. Do you guys see how important it is to lay down a primer? That color is just grabbing hold to that primer and it's not going anywhere. So now we're just blending that transition color out just a little bit, just to soften the edges. And now we're going in with the Sahara Nights palette, also from BoxyCharm. The colors in this palette are so finely milled, so soft. I absolutely love this palette. I actually forgot how beautiful it was, and I had to pull it back out. And you guys will see later, but the colors are so soft. And when I say soft, I mean soft enough for a highlighter. All right, time for mascara. This mascara I actually picked up at work. They do set samples out in my employee break room for anyone to grab. So I am trying this mascara out, and so far I really do like the shape of the brush. It really curls to the shape of my eyelid. So far so good. And I had to pull out my lash primer again. I really love coating my bottom lashes with this primer, and then I'm going to follow up with the mascara. I seem to spend a little bit more time on my bottom lashes since I always use a strip on my top lashes, but I can say I think my bottom lashes are growing. All right, now it's time for my lash. And for my everyday lash, I just really love something that's really separated, but still kind of natural, but also gives you just a little bit of pizzazz on the eyes. And I'm not really a heavy blush girl, but I do like a little bit of this. This color here, I actually wear on my eyes quite a bit, but it's a really nice, soft, kind of reminds me of Raisin by MAC, if you're familiar with that. And then after that, we're just going to go back in with that palette and grab one of those beautiful soft colors to highlight. Oh, and I do love this brush. All right, guys, and that is my look. And let me know, have you guys tried a beautiful daytime halo eye? I absolutely love it. This look probably took me a good 5 minutes. So simple and easy. And that is my look, guys. So if you're not following me on Instagram or TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRH Makeup. My second handle on TikTok is underscore beauty over 40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing. Turning on post notifications, that way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.